Hey everybody, Snowbird Gardener here. Well, it's a misty morning in the bucket garden this morning, and we're going to compare the noise factor here in the bucket garden as opposed to the raised bed. So listen and see what you can hear. I can hear traffic. I can hear a crow. Okay, let's go over to the raised bed garden, see what we can hear over there. Okay, here we are at the raised bed. Listen to the sounds here. Pretty quiet, huh? Maybe you can hear some sawing way off in the distance, and you can hear a crow. But this is a very quiet garden. I'll see you next time. Jesus loves us when we spend time in the quiet with Him. It says if we wait upon the Lord, He'll renew our strength. We will mount up with wings like eagles. Cool. See you next time. Adios.